so we're not talking about some massive catastrophe necessarily, but we're saying somehow the power workers in our area get it, and then our power goes out and no one can restore it.
Yeah.
Now I have to think about, like, do I have my lantern? Oh wait, I have a lantern, and it works right now. And every time I turn it on, every few months I turn it on to test it, and it works. But that's because you turn it on for 2 seconds every 2 months.
Yeah.
When you actually need it for your day to day, it's gonna last you 2 weeks, and then you no more batteries.
And then you're gonna have some cheap batteries like these Amazon basic batteries that who knows what are in here. Like these might last you 2 hours.
Yeah.
Or 20 minutes.
Who knows?
Most likely 20 minutes.
Hence the price, right?
Yeah.
And but it's like until we start to like think about specific situations, then you're like, oh my gosh, like what about my TV control?
Yeah.
That has batteries, and what if they go out, and then I can't go to the store because now they shut down all the grocery stores.
Yeah.
You know, because people are getting infected or whatever.
Yeah.
So it's like little things. You're like, oh my gosh, batteries are so useful. So
Batteries are very useful.
No, I mean, not batteries. Energy. We're so depending on electrical energy. We use it every single second of our lifestyle.
Yeah.
Most of us.
Yeah.
We don't realize it, but we do. And if we don't have it, we're going to be mighty unhappy. And I'm trying to prepare you guys by saying, buy a battery.
So by that,
build a battery.
we're introducing our new kit, $9.99. Call now. Buy one, get one free.
So I'm not sweating it because this is a new reality that people are going to, more and more people are going to realize this. I think the prepping community is growing. This thing is going to do more to grow the prepper community than anything else in history.
Preppers are super happy right now. They're like, we told you, we're ready.
We told you.
You know?
Call us crazy again. That's what they're saying. Call us crazy, huh? We're the nuts. We're the nut ones. Like we were saying, we're going to do that.
They're ready.